To use an Apple gift card for in-app purchases, start by opening the App Store on your Apple device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Redeem Gift Card or Code. Enter the gift card code or scan the QR code on the back of the card. Then tap Redeem. The gift card balance will be added to your Apple ID account, which can be used to make in-app purchases. Open the app where you want to make a purchase. Go to the in-app store and select the item you want to buy. Tap the Price button. Then tap Buy or the Price button again to confirm the purchase. If your Apple ID account has a balance, the purchase amount will be deducted from the balance instead of your primary payment method. You can check your account balance by going to the App Store, tapping your profile icon, and scrolling down to the Apple ID account section. It is essential to note that Apple gift cards can only be used for purchases on the App Store, iTunes Store, Apple Music, Apple Books, and Apple Arcade. You cannot use Apple gift cards for purchases outside of these platforms, such as buying Apple devices or accessories from the Apple website or physical stores. To avoid any issues, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your Apple ID account is in good standing. Also, be aware of the gift card expiration date and any terms and conditions associated with the card. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use an Apple gift card for in-app purchases and enjoy your favorite apps and games.